In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can unpublish a website on Editor X. As you can see, I'm on Editor X and I have a few sites. I have actually only one site, I'm sorry. And I'm going to show you how to unpublish this. So you want to go to select site right here, and this will bring us to the dashboard once it's done loading. Yeah, there we go. So now we want to go to this panel on the left and we want to find settings. And from settings, it brings you over to the general settings right here, and we want to go to the general settings here, to the website settings, and you can see the name, the address, the favicon, everything right here. And here we can unpublish the site, because now the site is published. If we hit this button, unpublish website, and now it is unpublished once this is done loading. So yeah, there we go. Now no one can see your website anymore. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.